Starting with the announcement.
I would also like to request the respected Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Shri D.P. Wala, to extend a form.
State's unique potential in IT sector will give immense support to BPO and IT sector in the state, and more number of youth will be able to get employment locally, which will be a forward step to the state towards vocal and local slogan of our visionary Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. Sir, few of the things, one or two more issues I have to bring it to your notice. In case of Meghalaya, sir, it is hub of tourism. It is not only hub of tourism, it is hub of Ayurveda. And in case of, I am from Karnataka, as you know, in our area also we used to grow turmeric. But whereas in case of our area, the curcumin ratio is only 3.7. But whereas in case of Meghalaya, it is 8.7. It is highest in the country, I tell you. In our area also, we used to grow pepper, but only black pepper we used to grow there. But here, I think probably this is the only area we are able to find white pepper.